getting out to get you guys a video today. Essentially, the trip has not been going to plan. It has been quite hot for us not having the conversion all the way done. We've been trying to go cross country, getting about 4 hours of driving in a day, and it's just getting to us. As well as you can see right there, our engine cover. Unfortunately, our fan clutch has gone out on our motor, which is a DT 466 motor. I think I've sourced one about hour and a half or 2.5 hours away. Hopefully have a diesel mechanic, mobile mechanic coming to put it on for us. We may try to get a few more miles in going towards them, just so it's not as far for them, but we've driven all day with it. Became very noticeable. Bus has been running a little bit hotter than apparently it should be. First day we had a little bit of overheating issues in the mountains, but I don't know, got that taken care, or got some more coolant in it and was doing a little bit better. But then having a coolant leak because of a plug that I put in, so I put a more permanent one in now that has not been leaking today, which has been super nice because the temperature has actually been down, even though today having the fan clutch issue. So sourcing one of those, hopefully we'll have that on the bus and being able to put some miles in again. But tonight we're staying at this distillery. It's super nice being part of Harvest Host now. Got a subscription right before we left and have been staying at pretty cool places during this trip so far. A couple nights ago we stayed at a Mustang sanctuary in Illinois. Before that, we stayed at this guy's workshop that does a lot of woodworking, and he gets all the wood from his land in Indiana. So it's been really cool to meet people, and not only the people who are hosting us, but also at the Mustang Sanctuary, there's a family from Alaska, and it was really cool talking to them because that is someplace that my wife and I really want to go to in the future. So maybe go up there and see them and have them host us. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it short for today. I do have to say, shout out to Goshen Coffee Roastery. They are just on the northeast side of St. Louis in Illinois. I forget the exact town that they're in, but we went to the roastery by accident thinking that there was a cafe there. They are super nice. Got some bags of coffee from them. They showed us around the roastery, and the woman was so sweet. She gave my son a bunch of stickers, and it absolutely made his day. So that day was actually yesterday, which became not a great day because it took us forever to get to our site. But anyhow, go check them out. We've been getting coffee almost every day, and their coffee is delicious. By far my favorite. Stocked up on some bags, and once I get back home, definitely will be ordering from them again. So yeah, go check them out. I'll put their website in the link down below. I'm gonna go finish hanging out, camping in this parking lot with my family, but I don't know, it's actually been quite a fun ride. And yeah, see where this trip takes us now. Basically never know where we're going to be the next night, so we're doing 24-hour or same day booking for where we're staying. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, just want to chat, anything, leave them down below, and subscribe, and let's see where we go.